Okay, yeah, it does. It's still in the middle. It's just the bottom is cut off. Stand up straight. Now I can't see your eyes. I can.
Fine.
So good.
Hi! I just got my new chair. It's a MAXNOMIC. Cut. It's so heavy! She's just ignoring me. She's not so heavy. So I've tried a lot of office chairs. Because I'm a big guy.
Stage fright.
6'6", 250 pounds. They said this was the biggest chair on the market. It's the MAXNOMIC XL TITANUS. I think it came out in May of 2015. We're gonna give it a try. Let's put it together. Ha ha ha! Let's open it. Let's open it.
Let me see the box. Yeah. Good boy.
Now we gotta put it together. Looks big, it looks quality. Looks like I'm gonna enjoy it. I like to sit. Sit.
Down a little bit. Keep sitting down. Go. Okay.
It's completed. Let's sit down. Does it fit me? Ooh. feels big. Like I said, I'm 6'6", 250, and I feel a little small in this. Feels good with my legs. And for the record, I had to buy this, $550. They didn't give this to me because we have 400 subscribers and not 10,000.